Hello friends and viewers, I welcome you all to my channel and you are watching a very fresh new episode of Day Roundup, and in the Day Roundup sessions I bring you top news and current affairs happening around the country. So without wasting too much time, let's start updating ourselves. So friends, today's first news comes from the Indian stock market world, and the benchmark indices NIFTY and SENSEX closed flat due to mixed global sentiments because European stocks were edging higher and Asian stocks were dipping down, due to which the benchmark indices SENSEX closed about 20 points higher and Nifty 50 ended about 7 points higher. And moreover, we saw that foreign institutional investor bought around 198.62 crore worth shares and the local investor sold around rupees 86.22 crore worth equity. So the next news update is from FSSAI, Food Safety and Safeguard Authority of India, and the body has amended its Food Safety and Safeguard Act, which now says that if any controversies of food alteration is found, then the guilty party will be imposed a fine of rupees 10 lakh and a life imprisonment. Moving ahead, we have got our next news from Policy Bazaar, and Policy Bazaar has now delayed its plan to launch the IPO because the parent company of Policy Bazaar, E-Tech Aces, is now planning to expand its business into healthcare consultancy services, which will operate both online and offline. E-Tech Aces currently operates Policy Bazaar and PaisaBazaar.com, and it has raised fund of about $200 million from SoftBank to fund its new healthcare business, which is known as Doc Prime. The next news comes from the banking sector, and the scenario of ICICI Bank gets worse because RBI will now look into the matter of allegations made by a whistleblower claiming that RBI has delayed for 8 years the provisioning of NPAs to show fake book profit. Just imagine, Chanda Kochar has been cooking its own books of accounts to show fake profits and to gain the confidence of the shareholders. What do you think of ICICI Bank? Do you think the bank is gonna recover from its worst situation, or do you think that the change in the chairmanship of the bank will bring a new faith in the bank? Let me know below in the comment section. Moving next, we have got update from Vijay Mallya, and guess what? Vijay Mallya breaks his silence after years, and he says that he has written a letter to both Prime Minister and Finance Minister on April 15, 2016 to explain his side of story against the loan default, and he says that he has not received any reply from both the ministers, and he has been exposed or showcased as a poster boys in the matter of loan defaults, and he says that he has not deliberately defaulted a loan, but the circumstances were such that he could not repay off the loan. Vijay Mallya is currently fighting a case against his extradition to India from UK. Let's see what happens next with Vijay Mallya. So friends, that was all from me for today. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then do not forget to share it, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and especially do not forget to hit that bell icon so that you receive every notifications of the video being uploaded on this channel. Till then, take care, and yes, do remember to stay sharp and be updated. This is me, your host Mehul Kumar Patwari, signing off for today. God bless you.